Hi, everybody. I just figured I would send you the answers to page 9 also in case you didn't have those examples. Again, you can find this notes packet under the classwork tab in Unit 5 Ionic Bonding. Remember, this notes and homework packet is there in its entirety, including all of our notes from before. So this is looking at page 9, where we're going through the examples where we're naming ionic compounds. So number 1, let me zoom out a little bit here. Number 1, magnesium sulfide. Nothing special happening there. We're just putting the metal name first and the non-metal name second. Same thing for number 2. Ca is calcium and Br is bromide. Nothing special there. For numbers 3 and 4, make sure that you're putting the parentheses because chromium, Cr, is in the D block, meaning that it's a transition metal and we need to specify its charge. We figure out that its charge is +2 because we look at the second half of this. O, oxygen always has a charge of -2, so to balance out that -2, we need a +2. So it's chromium 2 oxide. Same thing for number 4, copper. Leave space for the parentheses for the Roman numeral for the charge. Copper something chloride. Each chlorine has a -1 charge for a total charge of -2 because there are 2 of them. We balance it out with a +2 charge, so it's copper 2 chloride because the charge on copper is +2. 5 and 6, you're using the polyatomic ions on the back of the periodic table. K is potassium, CO3 is carbonate, NH4 is ammonium, and PO3 is phosphite. On the bottom of this page where you're doing the same thing but backwards, to figure out the formula, remember you have to balance the charges. Aluminum has a +3 charge, chlorine has a -1 charge, so that means we need 1 aluminum and 3 chlorines, AlCl3. Beryllium has a +2 charge, phosphide has a -3 charge, so that means we need 3 berylliums for every 2 phosphorus atoms. Silver, we don't know the charge on silver except for that Roman numeral. So that 2 tells you the charge on silver is +2. Chlorine from the periodic table, we know that it's a -1. So we need 1 Ag for every 2 Cl. So AgCl2. Manganese, the Roman numeral tells you the charge is +1. Phosphite is on the back of your periodic table with a -3 charge. Manganese 1, so we need 3 of them to balance every PO3 phosphite. Ammonium has a +1 charge, sulfide has a -2 charge, so we need 2 ammoniums for every 1 sulfide. Because NH4 is already in parentheses, you have to, or is already a polyatomic ion, put it in parentheses so you know that that 2 goes to everything in there, and then followed up with 1 sulfur. And then finally, sodium. Sulfite, sodium is a +1, sulfite is a -2, so we need 2 sodiums for every 1 SO3. I hope this helps. Good luck, everybody.